With these examples, I'll explain the conventions of interval notation. Interval notation is one way of expressing infinite numbers of solutions using a small number of symbols. For example, if we want to show every number between 0 and 5, all we have to do is shade those regions in on the number line. Between 0 and 5, there are an infinite number of different real numbers. And we want to make sure to include them all in our picture here. Now when it comes to 0 and 5 themselves, this notation with the line under the inequality means that 0 is part of the solution set, and so is 5. For that reason, we want to shade in 5 and 0 as well. Now to put this into interval notation, we're going to have a start point to the interval and an ending point. And we just want to put those numbers inside these brackets. So the interval goes from 0 to 5. The bracket here says that it includes 0 and 5. So to write this in words, what we're talking about is every real number between 0 and 5 but also including 0 and 5. Here's a similar inequality. This also says every real number between 0 and 5. But the difference is here we don't have the line underneath the inequality. This means that 0 is not going to be part of the solution set, and 5 is not going to be part of the solution set. So when we sketch it, we still want to show every real number, including decimals and fractions, in between those two extremes. But we don't want our shading to touch 0 or 5, because they're not part of the solution set. But every number leading up to them is, like even 4.9 and 4.99 and 4.999, those would all be numbers that are less than 5 but greater than 0. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that no shading touches the 5 or the 0. So we use an open dot on those. Open dot goes along with less than and greater than. Closed dot goes along with less than equal and greater than equal to. Interestingly, when we do put it into interval notation, we're going to use the same numbers as above. But here the parentheses indicate that the 0 is not part of the solution set and the 5 here is not part of the solution set. So this is every real number between 0 and 5, excluding 0 and